On this page, we're addressing whether the decedent left a last will and testament and how that affects the petition to set aside. The first question asks whether the decedent left a will. If a decedent did leave a will, select yes. You'll then be asked a few follow-up questions about that document, including how many pages it contains and the date it was signed. This information should come directly from the will itself, so it's a good idea to have a copy of it in front of you while completing this page. Be sure to enter the date the will was signed, not the date it was prepared or notarized, and double-check that the date is accurate. Next, you'll be asked whether the person named as executor in the will is available and willing to serve. If the named executor is willing and able to serve, select yes and enter that person's full legal name exactly as it appears in the will. If the person named as executor is not willing or is not available to serve, select no. You'll be given an opportunity to explain why. This does not need to be detailed. A simple statement such as, "The person named in the will is not willing to serve," is sufficient. If the decedent did not leave a will, select no, and the form will move forward based on Nevada's intestate rules as they apply to a petition to set aside. As with the prior pages, take your time and make sure the information you enter here matches the will and other records. This information will be included in the petition submitted to the court. Once this section is complete, click Next to continue.
If you'd like a Nevada attorney to review your documents or your situation, you can schedule a consultation for $250. Using this form and watching this video does not create an attorney-client relationship. This content is educational only. If you'd like a Nevada attorney to review your documents or your situation, you can schedule a consultation for $250. Using this form and watching this video does not create an attorney-client relationship. This content is educational only.